Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. I want to share with you the new way to buy online the ultimate work tools for professional maintenance and repair operations. Meet the KNIPEX 8201-200 SB TwinGrip Slip Joint Pliers. This tool is a game changer. With its unique combination of front grip and side grip functions, you can tackle any job with ease. Need to work in tight spaces? No problem. These slim pliers have a narrow turning zone for fast results. Perfect for those confined installation areas. The high grip front jaw features robust teeth and a high gear ratio at the tip for maximum power. With a gripping capacity for diameters and widths across flats from 4 to 22 millimeters, you'll never be left wanting. Tightening and loosening screws with worn heads, the KNIPEX TwinGrip has you covered with its reliable 3-point gripping system. And with a 5-way adjustable slip joint and push-button adjustment, you can achieve precise control every time. Safety first. The pinch stop reduces the risk of crushed fingers, giving you peace of mind while you work. Durable and resilient, the robust box joint ensures this tool stands the test of time. Get your hands on the KNIPEX 8201-200 SB TwinGrip Slip Joint Pliers today and experience the ultimate in gripping power. Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.